The tiny house movement has championing minimalist lifestyles, sustainability, and freedom through compact living. Among the highlights of this trend is the 15 square meter home, which blends essential amenities with innovative design to create a functional and eco-friendly living space. These pint-sized dwellings embody simplicity and practicality, making them an attractive option for those seeking a lifestyle shift or a unique housing solution. A 15 square meter tiny house is a fully equipped home in miniature. Despite its size, it includes a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and seating area, all strategically designed to maximize functionality and comfort. Features like multifunctional furniture, such as storage integrated seats and foldable beds, optimize every inch of space. Compact kitchens equipped with stoves, fridges, and cabinets ensure efficient meal preparation, while minimalist bathrooms provide all the essentials. These clever designs create an airy, livable atmosphere, enhanced by ample natural light and ventilation. For those considering the tiny house lifestyle, the Tiny House Made Easy book is an invaluable resource. It provides detailed guidance on building and maintaining a tiny home while avoiding common mistakes. The book shares optimized design layouts developed from over 2 decades of experience and offers strategies for saving money during construction. For instance, it outlines the importance of selecting durable materials like Siberian pine and protective finishes such as yacht varnish, ensuring the house's longevity and resistance to weathering. One standout feature of many 15 square meter homes is the bedroom loft. With its skylight for stargazing and cozy dimensions, the loft serves as both a functional sleeping area and a relaxing retreat. Some designs even incorporate modern touches, like projectors for movie nights, making the tiny house a perfect blend of charm and convenience. Additionally, the Tiny House Made Easy guide covers crucial aspects like choosing the right trailer and tools, helping builders avoid costly errors while creating a space optimized for their needs. The appeal of tiny houses goes beyond their physical structure. These homes symbolize freedom from material excess, financial strain, and static lifestyles. They cater to minimalists seeking simplicity, eco-conscious individuals prioritizing sustainability, and adventurers looking for portable or unique homes. The book also reveals insights into land acquisition, uncovering strategies to secure locations for tiny houses at little to no cost, adding to their allure as a viable housing option. Globally, the tiny house movement has gained momentum as people embrace downsizing and reconnecting with nature. What began as a response to the 2008 housing crisis has evolved into a lifestyle championing financial independence and environmental stewardship. Whether as a primary residence, vacation retreat, or rental space, the 15 square meter tiny house is a testament to the creative possibilities of compact living. With resources like the Tiny House Made Easy book, making this lifestyle a reality has never been simpler.